Hi friends, this video shows how to take backup and restore using wireless debugging. First in TV or in this Google TV streamer, go to settings, go to system, go to about. Under about, set Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, developer mode has been enabled. Go back. Now under system, you can find developer options. Go there, go down, go to this debugging section. Here select wireless debugging. We need to enable wireless debugging. After that, go down, select this pair device with the pairing code. Select it. So now you can see Wi-Fi pairing code and IP address and port. Please note this. After this, we need to connect both TV and laptop to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Then go to this laptop. In laptop, we need to install one software. So we need to install this ADB tool. You can download from internet and extract this file. Then from this path, you have to run CMD. I already opened CMD here. See command prompt. From here, we can run ADB commands. First, we need to run these two ADB commands, pair and connect. In these two commands, we have to use IP address and port mentioned over here on the TV screen. I already executed these two commands. After that, we can run ADB commands. For example, you can use this command to list all apps installed in the device. Let me run. See, that is working. See, these are the two commands to take backup and restore. First, I am going to take backup. This is a command to take backup. Here I am saying take backup of all apps installed in the device. Then take the backup of photos, videos, all files and store all those backup into this file, backup.ab file. From this file later we can restore. See, in the restore command you can see I am using this file name. Let me trigger this backup, copy this, run it. Here in this TV you can see a white screen. Go down, go to right side, then select backup my data. See, backup starting, backup completed. Okay, backup completed. You can see backup finished. So let me check that backup file. See, here you can see that backup file, backup.ab. Let me check the size. It says 33 MB. This file we can restore. You can use this backup and restore feature when you want to hard reset or factory reset the device. So before factory reset, we can take the backup and store that backup into laptop. Then after factory reset, we can run this command and restore. So next I am going to restore. Let me copy this command, then execute. Here it says unable to restore device offline because when I took the backup that time it disconnected, so I have to connect again. After backup we need to again pair and connect. So let me again pair. Enter this code. Okay, done, paired. Next I am going to connect. Let me connect again. See, it says already connected. So next I am going to run the restore command. Let me try restore. See, here you can see white screen on the TV. Go down, go to right side, select restore my data. See, restore starting. Please wait. Okay, restore ended. Done. So this way we can do backup and restore using wireless debugging. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.